Hello my friends, this is NAVIFORCE. Today the model coming is the new arrival one. It's number NF9193. Okay, now let's have more details about it. Okay, this time we got 7 colors about these watches. Now we choose one of my favorites was to introduce the details to you. Okay, so this is one. Let's have a look about it. Now, this one on my hand. It's a gold color combined silver color bank, and in the dial we can see here there is 3 windows in the dial. On the 3 o'clock position is the weekly windows. On the 6 o'clock position is the calendar windows. In the 9 o'clock position it's 40 hours windows. And all we can see the index and the hands. It has the luminous. When you're in the dark, we can read the time carefully. Yes, very easy to see the time. And okay, and here is 3 buttons. This button is control the weekly, the date, and this button is to setting the time, and this button it's control the calendar here. Okay, let's have the backup. Let's open the link here. Okay, here we can see the backup. We can read the model number here, NF9193, and this is a small diameter case for women or for men. It's very nice. Okay, let's have an enlarged detail here. Gold color here. Our brand logo on the crown. Here is the foot size. Okay, we have a next color red details. Now is the silver and black color combined. It's a sunrise style pattern. And also we can see there's so many numbers around the bezel. And also this color is silver for the buttons. Here is the stainless steel band. Okay, next one. This one is a little light gray style color. Combine the black bezel and the silver bank. The same easy operate buckle. Buckle here. The brand logo here. Okay, the next color is black dial. Combine the black bezel and combine the silver stainless steel band. Next color, this one. Wow, this is amazing light blue color. But I think it maybe is more suited for the women. But also if you like it, I think it's really fresh color here. Yes. Okay, let's have a clear water bucket. Have a look here, the dial. Wow, I like it. And this is the button and the crown here, and here is the band. Okay, the next one is the golden color. Golden combine the green color. It's a very special color here. Okay, let's have a clear look at it. Now the dial is very bright. And the crown and the button here. Also the band here. Okay, the final one. The last one is the black and rose gold color. Wow, this is a really classic black, and combine the rose gold very fashion, I think. And let's have a look here, the dial. And the button design. And the pen. The logo here. Open it. Okay, this is all today. Which color is your favorite? Just let me know. And now all these 7 colors is on sale in our stores. Come and buy the best one you think. Okay.